Okay, so we're doing an update on the website here at gotomath.com. So if you've never been here, this is basically how you use it. Right now, I'm working on calculus, but in the future, I'll have just about every math course you can think of on here. Okay, up here real quick, I guess we'll go to is a forum. We'll just click on that. So you can click on that, and if you want, you got a shout out and say something, or maybe send me a math problem or something on here, you can do that. This is my Twitter account where all videos get posted to YouTube that automatically get pushed to my Twitter account. And of course, this is where all the videos are stored. Okay, so calculus, let's just click on it. So we've got the contents that come up here. At the present time, I've got videos and problems actually up to this point right here. And in the next few days, and today is 11/6, November the 6th. In the next few days, I should have these three sections finished. Okay, but the goal is by November the 15th, I believe it is, or 16th. I'm hoping to have finished all of Cal 1. So that would be up to techniques of integration here. Okay, so quickly how this works is let's just click on something here. We'll click on if you're evaluating limits analytically. All right, so I made some interesting changes here to the site, and that is so this is the problem, the problem list, which I think there's more problems than that. I need to drag this screen further on down, but what you can do is there's a couple ways you can actually, let's say you wanted to see this problem. This reads the limit of t goes to 0. What am I talking about? This is the limit as t goes to 7, and then here's the function here. So if you wanted to actually see that problem, you could just click on it, and bam, there it is, right? Okay, or you could come up here and just click on the problem buttons, and as you see, basically most of these buttons are programmed 1, 2, every once in a while there will be 3. I think there might be 4 somewhere in there, but so just click on that, you get a random problem 1 through 3 coming up there. If you wanted to see the problem set again, just come up here, click on this heading here, evaluating limits. Don't click here, don't click here, just click on this right here, and you'll see the problem set come back up again if you want, if you need to see that. Okay. One other thing. Oh, so anyway, you want to see the answer? There's the answer. Some of these problems, the help button is you can get further help on how to work this stuff out. Looks like that's being cut off. I don't know. Maybe that's the video or something. Need to look into that. Anyway, and of course, probably the most important thing, if you come over from the YouTube channel, you can click a video, and I'm working out a problem that's much like this one, as you can see here. One other thing, I don't think I mentioned this, but if you click the problem itself, the problem remains the same except the numbers change. So it will stay at, let's say, for example, let's just click here. So let's say you work this problem out, you got 4, but you want to work the same problem out, and you don't want to keep clicking this button until 3-1 comes up. You can just click on the problem, and as you can see, the problem remains the same. And then, of course, once again, you can see the problem set. Okay, and not all problems at this point have additional help where you click the help button. All right, let's go back to home. Now, I just want to say something. We're in the Chrome web browser right now. Now, I've noticed, we're going to actually, let me pause this, and we're going to go over to Internet Explorer, where I've had a slight issue or two with Internet Explorer because of the security settings. Okay, so we're over here at Internet Explorer, and something I've noticed about Internet Explorer is, even though I do like the way things kind of, the font, and I kind of like it better than Chrome, but anyway, I noticed that when you click the video, it takes the video a little longer to come up and um, to appear. So that's something kind of an issue that I've had with that. For some reason I can't scroll my scroll bar while I'm on the video with this. But anyway, another thing down here at the bottom of the screen, it says something about allow ActiveX controls. Well, I don't have any ActiveX in my script, so I don't know what it's talking about, but everything is completely safe. I'm just using HTML and JavaScript, and you just click allow. Um, and you might have to go up into the settings, and which is up here. You can kind of see this. I'm trying to remember Internet Explorer options. I can't remember what it seemed like in here somewhere under security. um, I don't know, it's been a few weeks or whatever, but it had something to do with JavaScript, allow JavaScript to run in the web browser. I mean, I don't know, but like I said, down at the bottom of the screen I get this box that comes up every once in a while. It says allow ActiveX controls, and like I said, so just allow. Everything's completely safe. If you got any problems, you can go up to the forum, and I'm going to get out of Internet Explorer. You can go up here to the forum and ask me maybe some issues or something maybe that you're having. But everything runs great in Google Chrome, even though most people are using Internet Explorer. But okay, and then of course I don't know about Firefox or some of those others that it's been a while since I've used. I just mainly use Internet Explorer and most of the time just Chrome. But if you do have some kind of issues, definitely let me know. Okay. So anyway, real quick here, once again, hopefully I'll be finished with Cal 1 by November the 15th, 16th, 17th, somewhere like that. Be ready for the final exams. And then I think I'm trying to debate if I should work on some algebra or or continue to do Cal 2 and 3 and then go back and do algebra. I don't know. I'm debating on all that stuff right now. But okay. And like I said, if you have a problem, an interesting problem, just click on the forum up here, and you can click on type the problem in or something, and I'll fit it in somewhere in one of these sections. All right. Okay. Well, that pretty much does it. And talk to you later.